Chicken wings.
Are you ready?
What's happening, YouTube? You know who's back? Riz.
And your boy Reza, repping OTG.
Alright, today we're gonna do a fried chicken tasting test, yeah? So we've got 5 different chickens, fried chickens from 5 different companies.
Yeah, all from South London, the main spots like Chicken Cottage, KFC, Sam's.
Morley's and Chicks.
Yeah.
Chicks is a local one, but anyways, we have to find 5, so.
We had to get the Chicken Cottage, of course.
Obviously, Chicken Cottage. You know what? Chicken Cottage sponsor me, like. Alright, anyways, so we're gonna take turns. He's gonna go first, and to see how many he's gonna get from 5. So I'm gonna give him a random one. He's gonna guess it, yeah. So here we go. 3, 2, 1, and bye.
And we'll come on the spot.
Alright, here we go. Number 1. Ooh. There we go. Yo, it's making me want to eat, bro.
What is that? Chicks.
No, you got it wrong. I eat the Vince West. Alright, number 2, yeah?
That wasn't Chicks?
No.
That was Cottage, isn't it?
I don't know. Eating like a pig.
It's so nice. KFC. No. That's KFC, no way.
No, it's not.
What? Yeah, this is embarrassing, bro.
There we go.
Sam's. No, sorry.
No, you got it wrong. You got it wrong. Alright, next one, yeah?
Wait, is that not what?
No. There you go.
Oh, just shit. I like everything.
Oh, you got it right. You got that right.
Let me make sure. Alright.
You eat like 15,000 wings that you got already, yeah?
The last one. Fuck, it's my wing. You made my wing, bro. The cotton.
Hey. Alright, so my man here has got only 2 out of 5. He does finish eating fat shit. I'm hungry. It's my turn, dick, bro.
Go ahead.
Where's the
First
drumstick?
one. First one.
And Morley's.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh my god, you son of a bitch. How the hell did you know that one? You went in though, still. Yo, my man went in. Alright. Are you ready?
Yeah. Give me more chicken wings, fam.
Second one. So you got 1 out of 1 so far. This video is us eating.
This is Sam's.
No.
Wallah, it's Sam's.
Wallah, it's not Sam's.
Oh, my mum's like it's Sam's.
I swear down it's not Sam's. Your mum's dead.
Say wallah.
Wallah.
Wallah, that was Sam's.
I swear down that's not Sam's. How are you telling me? I'm looking
You're lying to me, bro.
No, you can check the video after. Alright, third one.
What the fuck is this?
That legit wasn't Sam's though, so.
Morley's.
Yeah.
No, that was
No.
I
I tried to do that.
No, cottage.
No.
That was cottage.
No.
Fuck you.
No, I don't know if it's cottage, but you got that wrong.
Well, lie, that was cottage.
No, wallahi it was.
This is KFC.
You can tell KFC straight. Alright. Yo, 2 out of 4. Yo, this is to win it. We both got 2. Last one.
Let me become the wing.
You're not allowed to smell it. You're not allowed to smell it.
Oh, fuck you.
Yo, watch. Get it wrong.
Let me enjoy this. This is chicks, bitch.
You got it wrong.
Wallah is right. Wait, hold up.
Yo, that's Sam's.
This is chicks. Wallah is chicks.
Is it?
It's chicks.
No, that's Sam's.
This is chicks.
That's Sam's.
On my
That
mom's
is up
side.
on Sam's.
Bring it up.
I'm gonna show it. Look, these ones are Sam's.
No, that's chicks. I win, bitch.
I'm gonna eat your wing after that.
Right, we're gonna tell you the best chicken wings to eat from South London. I at least tell me that. Which one is that right
That's
now?
KFC.
This one is fucking chicks. This one is cottage.
I thought the burnt ones are Sam's. This is cottage.
Yeah, it's good. What is it? My favourite one's cottage. Which one's the best though? Cottage, isn't it?
Chicken cottage too.
I think the best chicken wing, I mean fried chicken in general, fam. Chicken cottage included in it. Nothing.
Morley's is close.
Sam's used to have the best chicken wings, yeah.
Oh yeah.
When they open, but it's shit now.
Yeah, they got happy with their good business. It's like selling pigeon.
This could be pigeon, man. Anyway,
But yeah,
you know the deal.
comment, like, subscribe.
Share with every fucking one, man. I'm destroyed, bruv.
Quick dessert.
Quick dessert. I think that's all we do in this channel, you know. That's all we do, bro. We just always eating.
Show him how to eat the Oreo.
Open it. Lick the white bit. And put it back in the packet.
Definitely about
You know when I was young, yeah?
Yeah.
I used to take the Oreos out, lick the white
You
bit,
do it and put it back
put
in.
it back in the packet, and my bro would be like, what the f is this?
Why are you lying? He didn't say that.
This guy, all he does is eat, bruv.
Full moon.
Let me lick it.
Full moon.
Let me lick it and give it back to you.
Half moon.
No moon. Moon's gone. But, oh!
Peace.
Peace! I will catch you guys in another video, man. Peace!